This video just solving this Leetcode section. Okay, so 867. So given matrix A, just return a transpose. Okay, I think everyone knows about transpose. So basically, the transpose matrix, the ij component for the transpose matrix is this ji component. Is the ji component. Okay, so I first calculate the length, right? Basically, the number of rows of this matrix A and the number of columns for this matrix A. So this M is here, and this N is here. So for example, in this example that the M and N is 2, it's basically 3 and 3. And then in this example that M is 2, N is 3. Okay, and I create empty. So this empty D is our answer, right? Right, so for each n, right, so n is what? N is column, right? For number of columns, right, we just append this aij for I in range m. So basically for each columns, so for example, each columns, we just first append this, right? Append this. And then we append this as a list, and append this. So we fix, so basically, right, we fix this j, right? We fix the column and the append rows. Right, so this is basically a definition for the transpose matrix. So we fix columns and append rows, right? Append rows. Okay, that's it. Okay, I will see you guys in the next videos, and be sure to subscribe to my channel. Thanks.